some awesome fidgets, so let's open it.
Find your focus.
Such cute packaging. I tagged them down below, so go check out their link in bio. Let's take all the fidgets out. Here they are. First, I'm gonna open all the mini Pop-Its. These are so cute, let's feel them. Oh my gosh. It's so good. I recommend these.
Now this fidget decagon.
I love all the colors on it, and I like this one the best. It's so good. Now for this fidget pad fidget spinner. This is so cool. Bex, it got a little ruined when I was opening it, but I love the shine on them and they're so fun. Now for the jumbo Pop-It that color changes in the sun. This is so pretty. Let's feel it. Whoa, I love the pop. Oh my gosh, it is so cool, dude. I definitely would get this.